काकुलो गोवन्साक 6 विकेटींनी मारून साळगावकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान GPL सर्त जिखली. कॅप्टन अमोक देसाय मॅन ऑफ द मॅच थारलो. जिनो ड्रॅगन्साक 3री सुवात आनी सन इस्टेट वॉरियर्साक 4थी सुवात मेळ्ळी. काकुलोचो सनी पटेल प्लेयर ऑफ द टोर्नामेंट थारलो. सर्तीन स्वप्नील अस्नोडकरान सगळ्यांत चड रन काडले. साळगावकराच्या कुलदीप दिवानान सगळ्यांत चड विकेटी काडल्यो. सन इस्टेट वॉरियर्साचो सुयश प्रभुदेसाय उदेंतो खेळगडो थारलो.
Big shot, that's a massive hit over mid wicket. That ball has been hit up in the air. It won't quite come to the commentary box, but so that boundary also brings up the 100 for Kakulo Govans. This time he's cleaned him up. Cleverly played, very cleverly played, and it'll go to the boundary. Sunny Patel is on strike. Wide outside the off stump, the ball has been hit up in the air, straight into the hands of the fielder at long on. This one has been hit up in the air. Another fielder is coming underneath this time. And he's cleaned him up. He's got a hat-trick. This ball has been hit up in the air. One bounce into the fence. He's in his first over. This time over the covers. Into the crowd for a 6. This might go all the way. This might go all the way into the crowd for a 6. Off the back foot, that ball is up in the air. There's a fielder coming underneath it, and he takes a simple catch. Here's Srinivas Fatte, batsman stepping down the track. This one is over the fielder for a 6. Stepping down the track, and this might be another 6 in the crowd for a 6.
To do that, and it's done with just one delivery. So Saargaonkar Sports Club are the champions of this year's Yes Bank GPL T26.
The run is a prize of rupees 5 lakhs for the Kakulo Govans, the champions of Yes Bank GPL 2015. Saargaonkar Sports Club.
आता पळोवया मडगांव शारांत जाल्लो शिगमो आनी चित्ररथांच्यो मिरवणुको.
इस गरुड़ से मेरी रक्षा करो।
देवराज, हमें बचाइए। वायुपुत्र भीम की शक्ति के आगे हम निष्फल हैं। हमें बचाइए।
श्री गणेश कार्तिक पृथ्वी प्रदर्शन।
माते, विचलित न होना माते, मैं आया हूँ। राहु मेरे सूर्य देव का कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता।
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.